Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. So today we're doing a how-to, which we haven't done in like forever, but I need to ask you a question. Are you tired of doing the same makeup routine every day? And are you annoyed at how sometimes you just want it to be like a quick, simple, natural looking makeup look, but it always ends up being like not? Because I have that issue. I don't know if you have that issue, but I have that issue. And I mean, putting on all that makeup every single day when you don't need to is a waste of time, and a waste of time. You just want to do quick, simple, boom, 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 boom. That's what we're doing today. We're doing quick, simple, ready to go. We're doing a no makeup look. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, grab some wine, and get ready to discover the secret to looking flawless without a trace of heavy makeup. So, first things first, you always want to moisturize your face. I have moisturized my face. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. I did that before when I was setting up, and I'm not loving how many things I have on my face, but whatever, right? Okay, so there are two ways to do this. I am choosing okay, so you can use concealer in this no makeup. I'm choosing not to because sometimes I find that the concealer will actually make my look heavier. Today I'm starting off with the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh cream. It has SPF in it, which I like. It is a skin hydrating beauty balm, 8-in-1 skin protector, titanium dioxide sunscreen. It's in the color 110 or light to medium sheer tint. Now, if you're asking me why am I not using my unbelievably amazing Wet n Wild tinted hydrator, because I have noticed that yes, it is a very good, it's very full coverage and very good. I'm putting this on upside down. It's very good, but it's a little too full coverage for the look that I'm going for. This is definitely more of a full-on, like, you have makeup on, but it's not as obvious. Sometimes the tinted hydrator sometimes shows off that I'm wearing too much makeup, or not too much makeup, that I'm wearing makeup when I don't want it to look like I'm wearing makeup. However, I may have to do some concealer. I just don't want to do concealer under my eyes. Let's put it that way. So maybe we'll do the concealer first. So I'm going to be using the instant, which I don't think, okay, it's a multi-use concealer. Here comes my dog. You want to say hi? This is my dog, Augie. Say hi, Augie. No, Augie, right here. Say hi. This is Augie, love of my life. Okay. Go sit and watch mommy work. The color that I'm using for the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, this one, is 110. So I am going to use the concealer, but I'm only going to use it on like the spots that need it. I find that this is like the most like my skin tone. I almost did it on my eyes. So let's talk some shop, shall we? If you hear jingle, 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 that is my Papa Dudes, my dog. Also, okay, again, why did I just do that? We're doing no makeup as usual. No makeup as usual. We're doing no concealer under the eyes, okay? So let's talk some shop, some current events shop, shall we? And now we're gonna go in with the Dream BB Fresh. And I think I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand because I don't really feel like if I need a brush, I'll go get a brush. I'm trying not to use a brush. So we're just gonna, all right, I'm just gonna rub it all over our face. So here's what I would like to talk to you about. So remember a couple weeks ago, I did that whole video on my rant about Harmon face value store closing. Remember that? And I said Bed Bath & Beyond needs to get their act in, get their in row because like it's gonna end up really bad. Yesterday they filed for bankruptcy.
I declare bankruptcy!
And they are closing all of their stores. All of their stores. Like, and one of the head people from, I have an itch. One of the head people from Bed Bath & Beyond made a really good point. I do like the BB cream.
Squirrel.
It's a much lighter weight feeling than the tinted hydrator, which can feel a little bit heavy. Really? You're just gonna sit right there? But you see, it's got a little bit more of a natural like look to it, which is what we're looking for. So next what we're going to do is I'm actually going to use the Wet n Wild Hello Halo blush lighter, but I don't think we're going to use the blush. I think we're just going to use the highlighter. So, right, so let's go back to what I was saying about Bed Bath & Beyond. So Bed Bath & Beyond decided to close its doors, and I don't know about you, but like I relied on Bed Bath & Beyond for like a lot of things, right? So we're going to take a fluffy brush and go into the highlighter like this, and we're just going to go a little bit under the brow bone, and then we're gonna do No! Okay. Maybe we should have lightly done it. Oh well. Yeesh. Okay. And I think they said to do it in the inner corners. Anyway.
Squirrel.
So she said, we've been through like every like massive big stages with you, like going off to college, getting married, moving into your new home, all of that stuff. I don't know why they said this was a good color for that, but I don't think it looks natural anymore. I feel like if I had used the blush, it probably would have looked a little more natural. I'm just lightly swiping a little bit of the blush part over it because I feel like that makes it a little bit better in regards to taming down that brown that I just put on. All right, I'm gonna diffuse it a little bit with another fluffy brush just to, there we go, make it not look so harsh. But yeah, so, getting married, going to college, moving into a house, having a baby. Oh, Bye Bye Baby's going out too, by the way.
Now I'm enraged.
It's just insane and crazy. I'm like, sometimes I wish people would listen to me. Like, I said, if you don't get your room together and start putting products into your friggin' stores that people actually want to friggin' buy, they're gonna buy your products. But they didn't listen. Okay. Curling our eyelashes now, and I'm using my brand new eyelash curler. It is from e.l.f. And as always, I will I will link all of the products down below so that you can purchase them on your own. They are affiliated as usual. Every little bit of support helps for my channel. And for the mascara, we are going in with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. I love this mascara. I love the wand. It is a lot smaller than a lot of the other ones that I'm used to, but it's still good. And it'll still give that curl. Granted, I did just curl my eyelashes. I mean, when was the last time you guys saw me curl my eyelashes, right? It does what it says it's gonna do without it being too heavy, I don't know. Like, it's just such a sad thing. And here he comes again. Okay, may have put a little too much on with the bottom. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's just like so sad and it's just sad.
Squirrel.
So one's supposed to put like a tinted lip balm on, but I don't think I own a tinted lip balm. So I was gonna use either the e.l.f. lip lacquer in Moody or the Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss in Love Language. I don't know which one to use. I'm gonna go in with this one first, and that is too dark. Way too dark. I should have just used one of my lip oils. Oh well. But I mean, lip gloss isn't like something that's like, I'm just gonna go in with this too and see what happens. Yeah. It's just, the whole thing is just sad. And it's the fact that they stopped carrying stuff that people actually want. And that's why people stopped going to Bed Bath & Beyond, because they didn't recognize the brands. I don't understand their logic. I don't understand their reasoning. But this is my final look for a no makeup day. If you have any questions, any comments, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. If you have any video ideas or anything that you want me to kind of like test out, don't hesitate. It's an end of another era in a very short amount of time. I just don't get it. But this is my no makeup look. The lips are a little bit darker than I wanted it to be, but that's just because I don't have a tinted balm. I don't know. But anyway, if you like watching me do these types of videos, how-tos, tips, tricks, dupes, hacks, first impression reviews, speed reviews, all that stuff, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below so you can be alerted as to when I post new videos, which is every Tuesday and Friday. And I hope you guys have a great week, day, evening, whenever you guys are watching this. I love you guys. I think you guys are great. Join the kaleidoscope, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, I love you. Bye, guys.